Do you feel like a zombie whenever you wake up in the morning? Or do you feel tired and stressed in the morning? If yes, don't worry, you aren't alone. Millions of people across the globe experience sleep deprivation, and you have noticed that even if you try to go to bed early, you still don't get the proper amount of rest to help you feel fresh in the morning. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video, I am going to tell you about 5 common bad sleeping habits that cause poor sleep. I will also tell you how you can fix these habits, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Number 1. Lying awake in bed. When you have trouble falling asleep, the last thing you do is to lie in bed awake. Let me tell you that if this occurs regularly, your brain will associate your bed with anxiety. Eventually, you won't be able to fall asleep. I would suggest that you stop tossing and turning in your bed. Instead, perform a relaxing activity like reading a book, or you could go out to reset your sleep. Number 2. Taking long naps. Many people think that taking a midday nap is beneficial for your health. However, if you are a person who struggles to fall asleep at night, you need to avoid taking midday naps. Let me tell you that these naps diminish your ability to fall asleep. Moreover, excessive daytime sleepiness is linked to a sleep disorder called sleep apnea. Skip these naps and you will notice that you sleep more peacefully at night. Number 3. Your bedroom is too cold or too warm. You need to understand that you cannot sleep properly if the environment is stimulating your senses. Think about it, how can you expect to sleep if the lights are on, the place is too warm or too cold, and the stereo is blaring? Your bedroom should be a comfortable place to sleep. The lighting should be low with minimum noise, and the temperature should be just perfect to make you feel relaxed. Number 4. Drinking alcohol before bed. Yes, alcohol or cigarettes make you feel a little drowsy. However, it can fragment the stages of your sleep. Moreover, these things also make your snoring and sleep apnea worse. I would suggest that you avoid consuming alcohol or smoking a cigarette during the 2 to 4 hours before bed. Number 5. Your bedroom is filled with electronics. Your bedroom is a place where you relax and sleep comfortably. When it is filled with electronics such as telephones, computers, or gaming systems, and you use them before sleeping, your brain will stay active, and this way you won't be able to fall asleep. So, clear out the technology from your bedroom and make it a comfortable place to relax. Final thoughts. That's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts and valuable feedback with us in the comments section below. Lastly, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, subscribe to it and press that bell button so you are notified each time I upload an interesting video on this channel. And while you are here, click to watch one of the 2 videos appearing on your screen. We will see you there.